Hey class, my name is Tinsley Wilson. I'm originally from Boaz, Alabama in Marshall County. This is my third semester at Athens. Hopefully I'll be done in May. I have 4 classes left. I'm taking 2 this semester and then 2 next semester. I graduated from JSU in 2017 with my Family and Consumer Science Education degree. And I started working at Douglas High School in Marshall County, where I was the FACS teacher and FCCLA advisor. I enjoy teaching students life skills that majority of the time they wouldn't get without my classes. I also am the FCCLA advisor, which means I have a CTSO. So we do like community service and service learning, and I have a competition team, and this is us in California this summer at Nationals, and then this was last year in Atlanta, Georgia. I currently work, so I left Douglas this year, and my husband and I moved to the beach, and we live in Gulf Shores, and we started new jobs and a new adventure. I'm still teaching FACS and the FCCLA advisor. I just moved 5 hours south. My husband and I have been married 3 years. We like to travel. This is us in New York, and we hiked to the Hollywood sign, which was not as fun as you would think it would be, hiking 8 miles. We also like to be adventurous and do fun things. We have 2 dogs. They're right here. He's a mess. His name's Rufus, but and then we have like our calm dog, War Eagle. I love the tigers, and I also have 2 sisters, so they're right there. And that's just kind of my introduction to you. I hope you all have a great semester, and hopefully we will all be graduated very soon.